The new V34 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter that offers a compelling mix of high-end features and accessibility for both new and experienced pilots. This drone stands out with its powerful 8K HD dual cameras, brushless motors, and a comprehensive 5-way perception obstacle avoidance system. With its unique one-button spray function and integrated screen remote control, the V34 provides a versatile and intuitive flying experience, suitable for a wide range of aerial photography and recreational uses. Professional 8K HD dual cameras. The V34 is equipped with an 8K front electrically adjustable camera and a bottom-mounted optical flow camera. This powerful dual camera system allows for stunningly detailed aerial photography and videography. The cameras can be adjusted electrically, giving you the flexibility to capture various shots and perspectives. Advanced 5-way obstacle avoidance. Safety is a primary concern for the V34. Its 5-way perception obstacle avoidance system helps the drone sense and navigate around obstacles in all directions, ensuring a safer and more confident flight experience. This feature is a significant advantage for flying in crowded or complex environments. Unique one-button spray function. Adding a fun and novel element to its design, the V34 features a one-button spray function. This unique capability allows you to spray a fine mist from the drone, making it a playful addition for recreational use and creative videography. Powerful brushless motor and GPS. The drone is powered by a brushless motor, which provides superior performance, efficiency, and a longer lifespan. The V34 is available in both an optical flow version, no GPS, and a GPS version, with the latter offering a range of advanced safety features like low batteries over distance, loss of control, one-click return, making it an incredibly reliable choice for long-range flights. Integrated screen remote control. The V34 comes with a 4.5-inch screen remote control, which provides a streamlined and immersive FPV experience. This eliminates the need for a separate smartphone and allows for direct screen transmission, ensuring more intuitive and low-latency control. Impressive flight performance. With the GPS version, the V34 boasts a remote control and image transmission distance of 5,000 to 10,000 meters and a flight height of up to 500 meters. Its battery provides a solid flight time of 18 to 25 minutes. The drone also features 360-degree surround shooting, intelligent tracking, and custom waypoints, adding professional-grade capabilities. In summary, the new V34 drone is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a professional and versatile quadcopter. Its combination of an 8K HD dual camera, advanced 5-way obstacle avoidance, and a powerful brushless motor makes it a top contender in its class. With its impressive flight range, intelligent features, and a unique one-button spray function, the V34 is an excellent tool for aerial photography enthusiasts who want to capture stunning visuals and have a truly unique flying experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech content.